Hello everyone, it's your favorite boy Code Guru. Welcome to day 2 of my 100 days of ethical hacking challenge. For today's exercise, I was being tasked to install some several tools that didn't come pre-installed in Kali Linux. So today was really tiring and hours of debugging, trying to install. I guess the commands that the book gave were old, so I had to go online, look for latest commands, and it was really tiring. So some of the tools I installed was the Hyperion, the Veil Evasion, and the Ethercap, and I also installed the Ming W64, which is a C compiler, and I'll be using it to build the Hyperion. So after finishing my setup, I checked my Notion tool to log my progress, and seeing the days completed actually made me really happy and yeah, y'all are actually my motivation, because when I come online, the comments I get more pushes me. So thanks to y'all. Y'all really don't know what people are doing, and it's really a motivation. Thanks. So yeah, I had everything installed, and today was a great day. Even though today felt really slow, the environment is part of becoming a better cybersecurity. So that's it for day 2. Tomorrow we go deeper into Linux fundamentals. We have to revisit that Linux fundamentals and get my hands nasty because it's been a while.